So starting the test drive in this 2024 Tahoe LT. Again, like I said at the beginning of the review, this feels like the 23 almost identically, just how the layout is. I've got the 5.3 V8 with the 10-speed automatic, but so far it's just been an enjoyable driving experience for the few years that the 10-speed has been in this SUV. Now the prices of everything continues to climb. I think gas prices are kind of going down a little bit, but we'll see how long that lasts. But it's not cheap to own SUVs like this where you're getting 15 miles per gallon city, where people basically just use them for road trips and picking the kids up. But I like the 10-speed. The shift points are very nice. Everything makes sense when I'm driving this. And it's just an impressive driving vehicle. The ride is good. Overall acceleration is great to be able to haul 7 people. And just having the standard blind, I shouldn't say standard blind spot, but having the blind spot monitors, the lane keeping system with lane departure, and just everything that comes along with this it's nice to have for people in this segment. But you're able to get 20 miles per gallon highway. You'll probably do a little bit better depending on your speed, how many times you have to hit the accelerator, your terrain, altitude changes, all of that goes into effect. But I feel like for something like this, especially if you're towing something, that's not going to be at the front of your mind anyway. But this is a capable SUV, but it's also just a tad thirsty. Now I do think, like I said before, the price is a bit steep, but if you need one of these, you pretty much need one of these. So the towing capacity, the room, all of that goes into consideration when looking at something like this. And pretty much everything else in the segment is around the same amount of money. But I think the Tahoe right now, especially between the American automakers, is the best looking SUV compared to, I guess I could compare it to Ford Expedition, but even to the Nissan Armadas or the Honda Pilots, even the Toyota Sequoia, I just think that this is the better looking SUV. Now, you definitely want to go up in trim to get more. Now, this LT is missing a few things that I'm used to having, like the adaptive cruise control. I think you might be able to get Super Cruise. I know you can get it on the Ultimate Yukons and on the Escalades. So just having that semi-autonomous driving system, having cooled seats. So that's just a few of the things that I'm missing that I'd like to have. But just in terms of the presence of this thing, the ride quality, again, the capability, this is what I like when I'm looking at a large 3-row SUV. I would like to have 4-wheel low in my 4-wheel drive system as opposed to just 4-wheel high, but can't have everything, I guess. But they did a great job redoing this interior and putting this digital display in here, making it so customizable, but also making it easy to customize. A lot of your digital gauge clusters, your radios, they're very, very cumbersome in terms of just trying to get everything the way you want it. And here, it just gives you options on what you can see. You can't necessarily go in here and decide, I want to see the fuel, I want to see the engine temperature, but it gives you the opportunity to see a lot a little or right there in between, and I really like that. But it's an expensive SUV, but you're pretty much getting what you pay for in terms of what you could get for a new vehicle anywhere else of this caliber. And with that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2024 Chevrolet Tahoe in the LT trim level.